being busy today, so be working on the red one. Look at all this stuff I got outside the garage. There's the silver one. Yeah. So I'll just show you what I've been doing. So besides having to make room in my garage to actually work on the friggin' thing, I've been pretty busy. As you can see, the engine's a little bit low in that bay. So obviously got all the rad and stuff out and the bumper off. Make sure the gubbin's out. Yeah, but got a bit of arch gap now. So it's currently sitting back on its front wheels. Those struts aren't attached, but it is currently on its wheels. I think at the minute only being held in by the steering column, which you can see down there. Focus. Yeah, can't really focus, but hopefully you can see it. It's a little bit trapped, so we're out of time for today as well. I can't get it off. They need to disconnect that little bit. I can't seem to get it off. So yeah, front subframe is disconnected, and so is the rear subframe. Nice little gap there all the way through. Currently resting on a bottle jack. I've just been undoing all the wiring, just making sure everything is separate from the running gear to the. Looking pretty sorry for itself, but it will run. It will run again. So yeah, that's what I've been doing today with my beers. Get in there. So next steps are to carry on disconnecting the wire in the back end, and then once that's ready, get the body high enough that I can just roll everything out, and then decide what I want to do with it. Up until then, I've got to still get this thing started. So Hugh, who is running also a Mark 2.5, is going to allow me to test my cam position sensor on his, because I think that's what it is. This one, don't forget this one. Shit, this one's off the Volkswagen. This is the one I need to test, so I'm going to whip that off in a minute and take up the Hughes later on. Give it a test. That's the next steps for me. So get cracking. Morning guys. Bit moved on since I last did an update, but now I've got it up in the air with the engine on its belly, all the PDF, all the rear subframe's gone. Took that, weighed that in yesterday. I've got some more stuff to weigh in here, exhaust and bits and bobs, but yes. slowly released the engine from its rusty canticle. So I think I've got it high enough up now. It's pretty much at the limit of the axle stands that I'm running with. Lower down, it seems pretty stable, so I just need to roll the engine out. He's out. Boom. I just noticed the engine mounts are a little bit knackered. There we go. Here we are. Engine is out. Replaced by me, arguably more powerful. Yeah, so the engine's out. It's just down there. The gearbox is just down there, separated off from the engine. So next step is to next steps are to start tidying all this up. So got a wiring that I need to get rid of. Loads of brackets and stuff, things I'm not going to use that I've just stripped off, and I'll start cleaning up. Degrease everything, give it a good wash, so I can see the wood from the trees when I come to put it all back together. Notice this chassis deck is a little bit crusty, so I might just grind that back and treat the rest and just put some underseal on it, just to protect it for years to come. But yeah, progress. So anybody want to buy an engine, 20 quid? No. The bell housing was just completely full of oil, so I think the main seal on the back is gone. The clutch side is gone, which was leaking oil. I suspect that either the valves or the rings are gone as well. So